SCVC Vidya Prasaraka Trust, MGVC Arts, Commerce and Science College Vidya Bihar, Department of Botany, Eco Club organized water and food for birds. These extensive activities at Head Post Office Mudde Bihar on 16/2/2021 at 12 p.m. The chief guest of this function, Sri T.K. Lamani, Head Postmaster, and Treasurer, Sri Mahabaleshwar Gaded, Head Post Office Mudde Bihar, along with Head Post Office staff members from MGC College, Professor S.V. Gurmat, Professor G.N. Chaudapur, Lab Assistant Sri M.D. Patar, along with BSc first semester students, are included in this wonderful function by conserving birds. In Head Post Office, to hold some water containers along with food for birds. This function is inaugurated by Sri T.K. Lamani sir and along with Sri Mahabaleshwar Gaded and other staff members. We discuss about the conservation of birds. Bird conservation is a field in the science of conservation biology related to threatened birds. Humans have a proud effect on many bird species. Over 100 species have gone to extinct in historical times. Although the most dramatic human-caused extinctions occurred in the Pacific Oceans as humans colonized in the islands of Melanesia, Polynesia, and Micronesia, during which an estimated 750 to 1,800 species of birds became extinct. According to the World Watch Institute, many bird populations are currently declining worldwide, with 1,200 species facing extinction in the next century. The biggest cited reason surrounds habit loss. Other threats include overhunting, accidental mortality due to structural collisions, long-line fishing by catch, pollution, competition and predation by pet cats, oil spills and pesticides used, and climate change. Governments, along with numerous conservation charities, work to protect birds in various ways, including legislation, preserving and restoring bird habitat, and establishing captive population for reintroduction. BirdLife Internationals, a global partnership of non-governmental organizations that strives to conserve birds and their habitats. BirdLife International's priorities include preventing extinction of bird species, identifying and safeguarding important sites for birds, maintaining and restoring key bird habitats, and empowering conservationists worldwide. To ensure a better present and future, we have to preserve our environment. And preserve our environment, we also have preserved the animals and birds. Because animals and birds are important components of our environment, which maintain a balance in environment's ecosystem. Birds are said to be the best pollinators and help in distributing seeds. Further, they also help in pest control and maintain the population of insects under check. It is proven that they are also best predictors of natural disasters. Wildlife is a precious gift from God for this planet. The term fauna is not only for wild animals but also for all non domesticated life forms, including birds, insects, plants, fungi, and even microscopic organisms. To maintain a healthy ecological balance on this land, animals, plants, and marine species are as important as humans. Every organism on this earth has a unique place in the food chain that contributes to the ecosystem in its own way. But unfortunately, today, many animals and birds are endangered. Natural habitats of animals and plants are destroyed for land development and agriculture by humans, poaching and hunting of animals for food, jewelry, meat, and leather are other important factors contributing to the extension of wildlife. If soon no rigorous measures are taken to save the fauna, it will not be long when they find a place on the list of extinct species. And that will not be all. The extinction of wild species will certainly have a fatal impact on the human race. So far as so far us as human beings, it becomes a great responsibility to save the wildlife, our planet, and most importantly, ourselves. Here are some other reasons for deep understanding why wildlife plays such an important role in maintaining an ecological balance on Earth. The ecosystem is entirely based on the relationships between different organisms, liked by food webs and food chains. Even if a single wild species dies out of the ecosystem, it can disrupt the entire food chain and lead to disastrous results. Consider a simple example: a bee that is vital for the growth of some crops because of their pollen transport rules. If bees are reduced in number, the growth of food crops would be decreased significantly due to lack of pollination. Similarly, if a species becomes larger, it may again have a negative effect on the ecological balance. Consider another simple case of carnivores that is shrinking every day because of human poaching and hunting. The reduction of these carnivores leads to an increase in a number of herbivores that depend on forest vegetation for their survival. It would not be long when the number of herbivores in the forest would be rise to such an extent that they would move to farmland and villages for their food needs. Thus, saving wildlife, playing a big role controlling the ecological balance, maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Friends, today is a very important part to save and to conserve birds in this summer, to supply water and food for birds. Okay, thank you friends.